Gonna use self-dis. Does he have revival? He does. He's almost dead. These guys are going around. Cows is going after him. You can try to get down here. AG up front. Who's still shooting? Oh, what? Where did this guy come from? Let's consume you. Don't consume the pig. Oh, she doesn't have enough energy. Oh no, he's dead. And he's dead. Position. Let's do you stop here. Lori, Div. Put you here. And you guys all came up. And they got stunned. Lori, let's get her out of here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. You put on your goddamn shield belt. Where did that go? You hit the masterwork one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, who's got the... I thought... Yeah, you guys stop firing your fire. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. He's gonna self-resurrect. Equip the gun so he can't take it. Ivan is fleeing. Oh, there is a fire. Uh-oh. Chimera, Shambler John. Not Shambler John! Alright, Lou. You get ready to beat the shit out of this guy. How come we can't hit these guys? Oh, I thought we saw the guys here. We need to definitely make these into... Lori, teleport cows. Oops. There you go, and you. Fuck, should I resin? that all we brought? Is that all we have? Yeah. I think that'll be fine. Shambler's easy. Put you guys here. Boar. Oh, we sniped the guy? Oh, shit. Man, get our 2 snipers. And... let's put you over here. Oh, is this all the close combat? Oh, this is awesome. Definitely do work. And oh yeah, we gotta set that to chop. There we go. It does such a good job at cleaning. That. Wait, I don't think the fire went off. We might actually be okay. Okay, let's go here, get everybody out. And then you... Lori's got the wall, right? We block. Whoa, I'm leaning a little bit off them. Lori, you can come over here as well. Oh, okay, they're gonna go for the security door. What's wrong with this one? Escape. Where's Ivan? Let's coagulate his body. I want to do that. Prissy is getting... We back up. Yeah, it's no, let's not haul him here. over there. I can bury him. Yeah, let's do it. Jump packs. Who was researching? We'd be good. And there should be no more... Oh, he's got one more death refusal. How about this guy? Gumpy is using self-res... Okay. We could do a, let's lob a couple. We're not in the greatest defensive. What? We full of bodies again? Oh, whoops. Nice shot, Div. Alright, these guys are very injured. To have your shield. Okay, I think we're gonna make a separate one for close combat people. Okay, everyone else has guns here. No, there's some close combat. Would be a good way to wipe them. Oil. And then you. You guys need to do the long shots. Oh shit. 1 hour? They're really close. Incapacitated, nice. We get to keep them. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And we'll hold that open. Go for you, go for you. And he just died? Oh, that's right. We caught him with like a split second left. You guys are pretty damaged, so I might... Who's this guy? 2 hours. Night Owl, body modder, construction, and mining. Alright, Kylian. You've already healed up. Artie is 10 to Kylian. Through the heart. I need longer range weapons. Okay, let's get you. Artie, you should probably eat some food. Thank you. And then once everyone got their food, did I turn him on and off? Yeah. Fire's dangerous. Div, you can put the fire out here. You're getting close, but we can always res you. Everybody with close combat now. So we'll get everybody to run down here. So self-resurrect, that's fine. And then gear, we'll drop that since it's useless for you. Back up here. Ooh. Go, 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 go. And then... oh, no, never mind. That's pretty crazy. How's it going, final? Okay, you guys should be good now. So you can leave, except for you. Alright, anyone here that's good? I want to hit Ivan. You stay. You fire against Noodles. And then you can't really do much here. You fire. You got one hand. Ooh, fast walker. I think everyone else is dead, right? Wait. Who? Oh, shit, they're already here? I was hoping fire would be useful, but I think it's actually hurts us more, especially with the two vamps, so I probably won't use the incendiary again. Okay, we're not as strong as I thought we were. It was definitely worrisome. Pardon me. How's it going, DK? someone just got shot almost. Using self. Okay, no, you guys start firing at these guys. You start firing at this guy. Ooh, that's a. You just fired at a. Uh-oh. Vampire. Get you out of here. Put you in behind. Oh, can I not see? Damn, hand cannon's got some range. Ooh, Kylie and then to Oliver, and then to you. That's mainly, we could use, yeah, we'll do that because it'll level up his shit. But and we're gonna put fresh, or no, sorry, rotten, slowly coming. And then we can, now we could res Chop. We do have another res. He is our cleaner. And they're the medic. He lost his right hand. Do I really care about him? There we go. Oh. Wait, 3 more? Oh, the fire burned out this one, so they will come back. That's good to know. That's actually a better spot, too. No, he died. And then you guys killed him too. Bring you guys up front. And the happy music kicks in, like, is it for happy? Fucking blasted him in the skull. We really don't care about this fire. Please don't just send everybody over here. Show might be a rude awakening when he comes out of there. We're back alright, alright? And then you, sir. Start putting out the fire. You guys can't really do much else. Dead. And you can wall raise, just temporarily cut their, so, yeah, we'll cut their. And then where is Ivan? Isn't he? I'd like to go back sometime. Yeah, dang this big hole. Yeah, we're getting up there. Oh. Let's get the guys with shields up front. Ooh, I don't know if your ass over here. Back over here and grab that. I don't know if snipers are that great. They're good for very specific things, but I'm gonna start put div. Actually, let's move cows right next to this guy, and you can just go to town on him. Already just got smoked. Jump over the fire because you'll get scared. Just keep running, and then where's Ivan? Alright, he's coming. Do we have a Insanity Lance? We do. Who's down? Here. You go. You go. Everyone who's injured. Oh wait, I think you're still coagulating him, aren't you? Yeah. We have so much blood. Might as well use it. This can fucking snipe. Oh, backside. Artie, you can self-tend. Tend to Artie. Cows, keep going after you. He's dead. Let's put you on him. So he stops shooting. Let's bring you up front. Cows. Chop died. Did he get shot in the head? Probably. Ooh. And we'll get all our snipers around the other side. However, you, sir, we're going to turn off fire at will, because we don't... Wait, where's your... I think these guys are all loyal. Death refusal. Yeah, he's just going to die. And you're just going to die. Yeah... No tough trait? Nope. Alright, you can rescue him. And cows, come over here. Grab... sniper as well. And set up here. And we've got 3 hours on the wall. let's actually move. I think we can kill it. Ooh, that was close. Wait, why is he still firing it? Oh, how? Just got back from Vegas. Oh, poor, didn't do so well. We'll consider it. We're running out of fingers for div. Whoa, 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 whoa. You have enough to finish that. Get your ass back here. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Ooh, that's not what you want to do. Oh, he went down. Oh, he's back up. The old switcheroo. Get at it. Oh, he's back down. Jump behind you. We will use herbal on him. Probably should use herbal on everybody. Oops. And then that's gonna be a huge ass fucking fire now. Those guys are going over that way. Okay, so let's send our Kylian, Shoat down here. Caught can come and grab, and then already Oliver. Did he die again? Did we just one tap him? Yeah, he just died again. Those guys can go around the self. Alright, and you come here. You come here. Make sure these. And then Lori. Hijinks, what's Hijinks doing? You guys heal up. We need more ghouls. You guys can get this.